Hello dear traders, you're watching Weekly Financial Review on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Friday's trades on Wall Street ended with strong weekly gains led by tech shares as investors cheered renewed optimism on the US-China trade dispute. Gains in the tech and consumer discretionary sectors pushed the S&P 500 up to 2,822.48. The index added 2.9% on the week for its biggest weekly gain since November 30th. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose to 25,848.87, helped by gains in Boeing shares. For the week, the Dow increased by 1.6%, its best score since February 15. Still, the gain was limited by Boeing's troubles. The Nasdaq Composite Index advanced to 7,688.53, bolstered by tech shares. Over the week, the Nasdaq rallied by 3.8%, and this is its biggest weekly gain since December 28. The market's initial move higher was driven by comments from Chinese Premier Li Keqiang, indicating that the Chinese government was committed to taking additional stimulus measures, if needed, to prop up the country's economy. A risk-on mood was indicated on Wall Street on Friday, as strong consumer confidence data hinted that the U.S. economy's expansion has more room to run. The U.S. consumer sentiment rose in March to 97.8 from 93.8 in February, as a preliminary reading of the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index showed. That was above the 95 level expected by economists. On corporate front, last week's rally of the major indices was largely led by tech shares, as the sector surged by 4.9%. The tech sector also became the best performer of 2019. Shares of Nvidia rose to $169.81 a share. Nvidia was the best performing stock in the sector, rising by more than 12%, along with fellow semiconductor stocks like Broadcom and Lam Research. Meanwhile, Boeing shares turned around to close by 1.5% higher. Boeing's turnaround was sparked by reports saying the company planned to roll out a software upgrade for its 737 MAX aircraft. The stock had been under pressure all week after an Ethiopian Airlines flight using a 737 MAX plane crashed on Sunday, which prompted several countries to ground flights involving this plane. And this was Weekly Financial Review on Insta TV. Thank you for watching and see you back soon.